Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create calendars by using templates on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and after that you should tap on this home button at the top of the screen on the left side, then tap on the see more button in the middle of the screen. Go to the start with the template section and tap on the calendars button, which is the fourth option. Here you can find a bunch of available options. You can make a calendar in Excel, Word or PowerPoint, so tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose and then you should wait a few seconds till it loads in. Then you will be able to start customizing your calendar by replacing information and adding your own. So just simply tap onto the boxes and start customizing. You can add the text, type it in, and in the home section you can add formatting information and customize the text in terms of font size and color alignment and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.